Hello guys, in the recent video we learned how to add ImGui to our cheat. Now it's time to learn how to use it to draw things. By the way, you can download the source code on my Patreon. We'll use caching system as it's safer and faster compared to drawing in main thread. Object type is basically an identifier for what we want to draw. Cache_t is the cache struct that has required information for drawing things. Object count cache is the amount of objects in the current frame. Object count is the amount of objects in the last frame. We replace object count with object count cache by calling update to avoid redrawing things in the last frame or skipping the objects added in the current frame. And we call reset to 0 the object count cache for the current frame. Update object adds the object into the map by its index and increases object count cache value. H is the height of the box and W is the width of the box. We use them to calculate the down left, down right, top right parts of the box. After calculating them, we draw lines from each side. getObjectIndex checks if the index is greater than object_count and returns the object from the cache or returns default value of cache_t, which is null. We will reset, update object_count and cache the objects in draw function. As we use another thread rather than the main thread, it will draw faster. You can see the difference by drawing a lot of things. We use a bool to check if the window has been initialized yet. We set the bool to true in update function. So in this function we check if the window has been initialized yet and wait for a while if it's not. After it's initialized we start drawing objects. We firstly call reset to reset the object count in the current frame, and call update to update it. And in the render function we create another menu without border to draw our objects. You're supposed to call setWindowSize rather than setWindowPass. I don't know how it worked, but that's what you should do. After we initialize our menu, we iterate through the entries of the cache map. We get the object by its index and draw according to its type. We include draw_cache to be able to use it. We create another thread for our draw function. Now it's time to test it. It works perfectly as expected. Let's try drawing other object types.